Hello and welcome. This video is designed to give you a brief overview on how and where to find your WordPress installation directory on Bluehost. Once you've logged into your Bluehost account, let's click on the Advanced menu item. When the page loads, click on FTP Accounts. Let's find the FTP account we want to use and click on the three dots. This will show the full FTP path that this FTP account is linked to. The FTP path will show all folders and subfolders under that directory. To get the correct WordPress installation directory, we will need to first find your document root. We can see that your document root is public HTML/test subdomain, which is the same as your FTP path. As they're the same, the directory selector will load with your correct WordPress installation directory. Let's show you how this works in Transferito. We've entered the test subdomain FTP details. Now let's click the Continue button. When the directory selector loads, as we've mapped our FTP path directly to the document root of test subdomain, the directory selector loads the correct directory. Now we can click Continue. Our FTP details and our WordPress installation path will now pass validation, and we can move on to our next step.